In this video, I will show you how you can set up or remove your fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down a bit and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. From here, just select Screen Lock and Biometrics. Now on this page, under Biometrics, just tap on Fingerprints. Now from here, just select the fingerprint combination which you prefer. You have the option for PIN, a password, or a pattern. I'll select the PIN. Now from here, just create a lock screen PIN for your Samsung phone, which must consist of at least 4 digits. Then tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN and select OK. Tap on Done, and from here, just tap on Continue. Now just tap on Register to register your fingerprint. Now to register your fingerprint, just place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and lift your finger off the fingerprint sensor when this animation continues. Just like that. Now just keep doing that until you register your fingerprint. Once you register your fingerprint, you will have two options. You can either tap on Add and you can add another fingerprint, or you can just select Done. Now after you've done that, now if we go to the lock screen and if we tap on the fingerprint sensor, we will be able to unlock our Samsung phone using the in-display fingerprint sensor, just like that. Now to remove your registered fingerprint from your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. On this page, just tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then select Continue. On this page, just tap on Fingerprints. You will find all your registered fingerprints over here. Now to remove your fingerprint from your Samsung phone, just tap on the fingerprint which you want to remove and select Remove. Select Remove. Now just do that for the fingerprints which you want to remove. As you can see, we have successfully turned off the fingerprint unlock method from our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.